Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Now I am dealing with 10th class maths, new chapter, that is mensuration. And this mensuration is dealing with the lateral surface area, the total surface area, volume. Basing on this, you are going to have various problems. Let us see about how the formulae have developed. Earlier, already in your previous class, you have learned. Once again, I wanted to do it. You have got a table in your book, children. One by one, I will be teaching you about how the formula has come. The first one, cuboid. How will you draw cuboid? This is length, breadth, and height. Two rectangles. If you join like this is the figure of cuboid, length, breadth, and height. For this cuboid, lateral surface area, this is called LSA, is equal to what? See, this if you take as a model of cuboid, lateral surface area means these are the lateral sides. This lateral surface area. So you consider this is length. This we call it as length. And this side it is breadth. So this side again length and this side again breadth. And you call this as height. This is height. Okay. So this is also height. Same way you are having on all the sides. So lateral surface area, area of this figure plus area of this plus area of this plus area of this will give you lateral surface area. So how will you find out? Suppose you wanted to find out area of this. Here we will be calling this as first, second, third, fourth. Lateral surface area means area of first figure plus area of second figure plus area of third one plus area of fourth one. So let us take this as first and this as second, this is third and this is fourth. Okay, so this is first one. In this, what is area? Area, it is a rectangle. So its area is length into breadth. So this is length, but this is height. So you will be calling it as L into H plus. This is second one. This is also a small rectangle. Base into height. Base is B into height. Okay, so B into H. Similarly, if you go to third one, here also L into H plus fourth one when you go B into H. So you are getting 2 times LH plus 2 times BH. That is 2 and H is common. 2H into L plus B is the formula of lateral surface area of a cuboid. So you will be writing LSA is equal to 2H into L plus B. This is lateral surface area of a cuboid. Now total surface area. So when you are talking about total surface area, what you are going to take? This is first, second, third, fourth, fifth. This becomes fifth one. Fifth and the down one becomes sixth one. So 5, 6. Total 6 areas we have to take. So how will you write? Area of first figure plus area of second figure plus area of third figure plus area of fourth figure plus area of fifth figure plus area of sixth figure. So, first figure already we have got L into H plus second figure B into H plus a third figure L into H plus fourth one B into H plus fifth one. Fifth one means this one, children. This area, what you will be considered, this is L, this is B. So L into B, you'll be getting it as L into B plus even sixth one, this one, sixth one also L into B, L into B. So what are you getting here? LH, LH, 2 times of LH plus BH, BH, 2 times of BH plus LB, LB, this is B, 2 times of LB. That means how much? 2 into LH plus BH, BH plus LB. This is the formula. So I can write TSA is equal to 2 into LH plus BH plus LB. This is the formula for total surface area of a cuboid. So I hope I'm clear, children. Formulae you should learn. You should by heart them because in the examination you are going to, for some problems, you are going to solve them by using the formula. Here I am only explaining how the formula has come. Instead of by hearting, if you understand how the formula is existing, then it will be easy for you to remember. So the second one that we are going to learn is cube. What is this cube, my children? Cube is explanation is same as that of the cuboid, but only the difference is in cuboid, you are having length separately, breadth separately, height separately. But for a cube, suppose you make it half, this becomes a cube. In this cube, length, breadth and height will be same. So they are considered as A. This is A, this is A and this is also A. Length is A, breadth is A and height is also A. So here lateral surface area LSA is equal to. So again here also we can take area of first figure plus area of second figure plus area of third figure plus area of fourth figure. In this case, each one, see, base, length, breadth, height is same means everywhere it is A only. So that means it looks a square. It is a square. So area of first figure is square side into side plus A square plus A square plus A square. That is 4 times of A square. Therefore, what is LSA? LSA is equal to 4A square. This is the formula for cube. And total surface area. Total surface area. Total surface area is again, see, area of 1 plus area of 2 plus area of 3 plus area of 4 plus area of 5 plus area of 6. So each one is A square plus 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 a square. How many times? 6a square. Therefore, TSA is equal to 6a square is the formula. Children, I have forgotten to talk about the volume. Here I am talking about volume and I will be doing for cuboid also. I have forgotten to talk about the children. I'm sorry. So here volume. Volume of any container. Here volume means, so suppose first I will talk about cuboid. I have forgotten to talk about cuboid. For cuboid volume, so when you take the figure like this is cuboid. Actually, general formula of volume is area of base into height. Area of base is in the form of rectangle, L into B, into height is H. So LBH. This is the formula. So volume of cuboid is equal to LBH. This formula I have forgotten, children. This is the third one. Please note it out. First one is lateral surface area. Second one is total surface area. And the third one, here also. Third one is volume. So here also volume means again area of base into height. This is the general formula for volume. Area of base is a square into height is also a, that means a cube. Therefore, volume is equal to a cube. For a cube, volume is a cube. For a cuboid, it is length into breadth into height. This part you write in the cuboid, children. I have forgotten. So first you write this, then you start with the cuboid and cube and you do it. This is totally different, children. This I have forgotten earlier. So I am marking it with a line so that while copying it will not be difficult for you. First you finish off cuboid, then you go for lateral surface area, total surface area, volume of a cube. Now let us talk about prism, children. Right prism. See, prism is usually in this shape. It has got two triangular bases and 1, 2, 3 rectangles or parallelograms. So here the problem is right prism. So right prism means this sides will be perpendicular to this. This is actually a right prism. Okay, so right prism contains two triangular bases and 1, 2, 3 rectangles if it is right. Otherwise, it has got parallelograms. So this is the figure. So when you draw a prism, these are two triangles. So this is one. It is like this, a triangular prism. So in this, what you are having, lateral surface area. Lateral surface area is nothing but the general formula, no value is given here, perimeter of base into height. So perimeter of the base, how is the base? How is the base? If it is a triangular base, if it is like this, base is in the form of a triangle. What is this? Perimeter into height. That will give you right prism, and this is lateral surface area. Total surface area is considered as lateral surface area plus twice area of base. Area of we can say twice area of the base. We will be saying base or and surfaces. So if it is like this is a triangle, this is a triangle. So its total surface area, if you want, lateral surface area plus 2 times of area of the base. This and this. All this will be always the same. So that will give you the lateral surface area and a volume. What is volume? Volume is area of base into height. So it depends upon children. What is the shape of the base? Right, Prism? It is not compulsory that it should have a triangle. It may be having another shape also. Whatever shape that base is having, accordingly you will get formula. That is why specific mentioning as that of the cuboid and cube is not mentioned here. Some length, some breadth, some height is not mentioned. The main reason here is what? Here you are unable to find out what the exact formula because the basis varies. Some a regular base should be there. So which kind of base it is, accordingly the formula develops. Okay. Now the fourth one is a right circular cylinder. Right circular cylinder. This is the one. So you can consider this as a cylinder, a bottle I have taken. This is as a cylinder, you can say. Cylinder has got curved surface area, children. We don't call it as lateral surface area because there are no sides for it. Base is a circle, top is a circle. So it is only two circles with curved surface. So here, cylinder, you will be drawing like this. This is the shape of the cylinder. This is radius and this is height. So here you are going to have curved surface areas. The first one is curved surface area, say taken as CSA. Curved surface area is the formula. Even here you have written it is perimeter of the base, perimeter of the base into height. So what is the base here? Base is a circle. So it is circumference of a circle. This can be written as circumference of the circle into height. So circumference of the circle formula is 2 pi r into h. Therefore, curved surface area is 2 pi r h. This is the formula for curved surface area. And the second one, total surface area. Total surface area. Its total surface area means this curved surface area, area of the top as well as area of the base. So top and base are the circles of the same radius. So we will be saying that CSA plus twice area of base. CSA is 2 pi RH plus 2 into area of circle is pi r square. So here you can take 2 pi r as common, here h plus r. Therefore, TSA is equal to 2 pi r into h plus r. This is the formula for TSA. Now, I'll do it here. Third, volume. What is volume? Area of base into height. So area of base is in the form of circle pi r square into h. Therefore, volume is equal to pi r square h is the formula for cylinder. So first, second and third is for cylinder, children. Please note it down. Now write pyramid, children. Pyramid is of this shape. It will be having a square base and all the edges will meet at a point. This is pyramid. In this pyramid, this is base and internally it has got height and a height here from here to here. This height is called slant height. It is indicated by letter L. Slant height it is. So let me talk about this, children. So pyramid, the shape of the pyramid, you can draw like this, a square shape and a point. Join all the points. This is pyramid. From the center, if you draw this, this is height of the pyramid and here slant height of the pyramid is this side. Now slant height is indicated by L. Now here we will be talking about lateral surface area. Lateral surface area is considered as half into perimeter of base into slant height. This is the formula. Half into perimeter of base into slant height. That is the formula for LSA. Perimeter of the base depends upon which type of the base it is having. That is why specific formula is not mentioned. Then after lateral surface area, total surface area is nothing but lateral surface area plus area of base. In the earlier case, we have written twice area of base because there is a bottom, there is a top also. Here it is not like that. That is why only one base is there. So we call it as lateral surface area plus area of the base. And then volume. Volume is nothing but 1 by 3 area of base into height. 1/3 of area of base into height. These are the formulas. Specifically, we don't mention, children, because the shapes are not properly given here. According to the shape, you will have to write, is it a rectangle or is it a square? Accordingly, you have to write. Next, we are going to have write circular cone. Write circular cone. So what is this cone, children? It is also like a pyramid, but the thing is it has got a base, a circle and height. Okay, so here also this is height and here it is slant height. So the formula is LSA is actually half a perimeter of the See, half a perimeter of the base into slant height, you can use it here also. Half perimeter of base into slant height. But here, half into perimeter of the base is 2 pi r into slant height is L. These two will get cancelled. So LSA is equal to pi RL. This is the formula for LSA of the right circular cone. Now TSA. TSA formula is LSA plus area of base. Base is always in circle, so pi RL plus pi R square. So in these two, pi R is common into L plus R. Therefore, TSA is equal to pi R into L plus R is the formula for finding out TSA. Now, let me talk about volume. This is sixth one, children. Now, third one. This is first one. This is second one. Third one. Volume. What is volume? We will be saying that formula is 1/3 area of a base. So see here, what formula you have written? You will write the same thing here. 1/3 area of a base into height. That is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Therefore, volume is equal to 1/3 pi r square h is the formula for volume of a right circular cone. Please note it down, children. Now the next one is sphere, children. Sphere is about a ball, your cricket ball you can consider. Like this is it is represented. This is the radius. So for sphere, this is also is having curved surface area. It won't have lateral surface area. Curved surface area of a sphere directly will go for the formula 4 pi r square. Now its total surface area is also same formula because it is not having base and height. It's only a spherical, a circular one. Next, its volume. The volume here is 4 by 3 pi r cube is the formula for volume. This you would learn as it is, children. These are the specifications. I cannot give directly. You take this formula as it is. Next, we are going to talk about hemisphere. Eighth one, hemisphere. Hemisphere means what? It is half of the sphere. This is the radius and its curved surface area is nothing but half of it. 4 pi r square is total by 2. This 2 twos are 2 pi r square. Therefore, CSA is equal to 2 pi r square is the formula for hemisphere. Now, let us talk about total surface area. See, children, total surface area means half of this area, that is 2 pi r square plus area of the top. There is a top also here. So pi r square, that is 3 pi r square. Therefore, TSA is equal to 3 pi r square. This is the formula for TSA, children. Next, I'll go for volume. What is volume? Here 4 by 3 is there. No, volume for a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube by 2, actually half of it. That means 4 by 3 into 1 by 2 pi r cube. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So 2 by 3 pi r cube is the formula that you will be getting. Therefore, volume is equal to 2/3 pi r cube is the formula that you are going to get for it. Now, write down, children. With this, I am going to conclude my part today. In the next class, I will be starting with the problems. Children, I think you may not see the volume. So once again I am saying volume of the hemisphere is nothing but volume of the sphere by 2. So 4 by 3 pi r cube by 2, that is 4 by 3 into 1 by 2. That 2 becomes reciprocal into pi r cube. So 2 you will be cancelling 4 by 2, 2 2s are, so 2 by 3 pi r cube is the volume of the sphere.